So yes, my friends, this is Sunday afternoon, about 1:30. Downtown Barrie, they're having air show, and this is what some of the areas look like. Tons of traffic. Getting to the back machine to get some dough before I go. So right now I'm walking through a back alley to get to the main to see what's cracking. I did a video yesterday of the air show from the other side, so I figured, you know what, I'll come on this side today and do another one, giving this a 2-day kind of thing. Beautiful day for this though. It's all the copyright music that really gets me, man. I gotta go back and blank them out, edit them out, you know? Copyright stuff. So this is what's up downtown today. So like I said, they're having an air show. I'm just walking, checking out. This is the main strip where all the bars and clubs are. Used to party here back in the day when I was a young man. No, not so young anymore. And my wifey would not allow me to go out partying either. But this is a Dunlop Street, 5 Points. This is what's going on down here. Not so much activity right now. Thinking everything is by the lake, so let's go by the lake and check it out. And the tattoo folks over here. I'll be a chicken to get a tattoo, I tell you. This is the parking lot situation. Everybody's out. Everybody who's anybody's out here. Everybody doing their thing. You got the Free Palestine over there. You got the housing thing going on. Man, it's a everything day. Who wants to be an army? Army. you want to fight for your country? That's the question. Save the world. It's a good place to bring the family, but for me, family's working today, so here I am, out here doing my thing. As a young man, I wanted to be a soldier and a cop, but changed my mind about the two of them. Macro. This place is packed.
This requires constant operating very
I don't know how much walking I can do today, but I'm going to walk a little.
Look at these guys. Still going around.
I've not seen anyone I know down here as yet, but it's going to happen. Go ahead, my lady. Go ahead. Go ahead. My homie and his big dog here doing his thing.
Yes, sir.
I thought that was somebody.
No, she's.
Oh, there. No.
What kind of dog is this one?
This is a Presa Canario.
Oh,
Canary Mastiff from the Canary Islands.
okay, yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna show you a trick now.
Okay, man.
Alright, guys, you have him. What? Fixed up. Yes, ready? Guys, you have him. Good job. Fixed up. Fixed up, you have him. Yo, see that? See that? You want it? Alright, got him. He's tired right now. Kudu joke. Let's go. Kudu joke, no gi. Kudu joke, no gi. He just finished doing 50 sits and 50 lays.
Okay, yeah, yeah. Yeah. Sharing that footage there, we're good.
tudo.
Army cadets, boys who want to be soldiers.
Pretty cool.
One of my favorite spots to walk is over here. Just so chill. But today is pretty busy. Check yourself out later. It's my YouTube. You'll see yourself on there, okay?
Let's go. Sit down. Oh, nice.
Excited to go. It's not too late. Sorry, it's breaking.
Those soldiers.
Don't go past the blue line, please.